Mitch, the answer is no. I do not believe in replacement theology. And you're absolutely right. Replacement theology says that the church actually takes the place of Israel in God's economy, and God is totally finished with the nation Israel. But when you read the Old Testament, and you might want to read, for example, Jeremiah 33 and other passages, where it says so clearly that as long as sun and moon endure, the nation of Israel shall remain before me. And then think of it this way. Think of the words of the angel to Mary. He shall be great, he shall be called the Son of the Highest. The Lord God shall give unto him the throne of his father David, and he shall rule over the kingdom of Judah, etc. Now, has that been fulfilled? I don't think so. And yet Jesus is going to be sitting on the throne of David. I interpret that to mean ruling from Jerusalem someday. And so I don't believe in replacement theology. There are other implications to this. I could go on a long time, but just read the prophets of the Old Testament. Read the continual repetition of God saying again and again, I will bring a remnant back into the land. And then ask yourself, has this been fulfilled? No, because even after the captivities, after Israel has been so disciplined by God, you still have those promises. So I believe in a future fulfillment for Israel.